Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square plus x square over x plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here we find all the roots of this equation. So the very first step we are going to do is first we need to take the LCM of this term, and you clearly see that the LCM of this term is x plus 1 whole square. So this x plus 1 whole square is multiplied by this x square, and it will be written as x square times of x plus 1 whole square plus, when you divide x plus 1 whole square by this term, then you get here only x square, and this whole equals to 3. So further in the next step, here we need some simplifications, and now we can apply the algebraic formula on x plus 1 whole square. So it will be written as x square into, when you can expand this square identity, it will be written as x square plus 2x plus 1, and here we have this is plus x square, and it is divided by x plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 3. And now in the next step, here we need more simplifications. Here we multiply this x square on each of these terms, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 plus 2 times of x cubed plus x square times 1 equals to x square, plus this is x square, and it is divided by x plus 1 whole square, and this whole equals to 3. And now here in the next step, we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have the like terms are x to the power of 4 plus 2 times of x cubed. Here you have x square plus x square equals to 2 times of x square, and it is divided by x plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 3. And now further in the next step, here we need to take common 2x square from these two terms, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 plus, so when you take common 2 times of x square, here it will be written as, here you get x only, and plus when you take common 2x square, here we get 1 only, and it is divided by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so and this whole is equals to 3. So further in the next step, here we need to break this fraction, and we write this x plus 1 whole square separately on these two terms, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 divided by x plus 1 whole square, and we write this term as 2x square into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, and it is equals to 3. So this x plus 1 is cancelled out by this x plus 1, and here we write this x to the power of 4 as x square and its whole square divided by, this will be written as x plus 1 whole square, and plus here we get the remaining terms are 2 times of x square divided by x plus 1, and this is equals to 3. So here we rewrite this expression as, we need to combine these two powers, and we write it as x square over x plus 1 and its whole square, plus here we write this term as 2 times of x square over x plus 1, and this whole is equals to 3. And now here in the next step, we need to some more simplification here, so that now we will take y is equals to x square over x plus 1. So when you put this term equals to y, so that our above equation is written as y square plus 2 times of y equals to 3. Okay, so this will becomes quadratic in y variable, and here we easily make the factors of this equation. So first we move this 3 in the left hand side, it will be written as y square plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0, and here we easily make the factors of this equation. So we write it as y square plus 3 times of y. Here we just break its middle term, so this is 2y, we write it as 3y minus y, and this is minus 3 equals to 0. And here we take common y from the first two terms, and we get y plus 3, and here we take common minus 1, and we get y plus 3 equals to 0. And now from both of these two terms, we take common y plus 3 and remaining term are y minus 1 equals to 0. So now we divide this into the two cases, so that the first case is we write y plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write y minus 1 equals to 0. And here we need to back substitute the value of y. You see here the value of y is x square over x plus 1, so we put it here. So this will be written as x square over x plus 1 plus 3 equals to 0, and this will be written as x square over x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So here we will multiply both of the sides on both of these cases. Okay, in both of these cases we multiply both sides by x plus 1. So when you multiply both cases, both sides by x plus 1, we will get here x plus 1 multiplied by x square over x plus 1 plus this will be written as 3 times of x plus 1 equals to 0. 0 multiply x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, similarly in second case, when you multiply x plus 1 here, this x plus 1 and x plus 1 are cancelled by each other, and we get x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0 times of x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so this x plus 1 is this x plus 1 also cancelled by each other, and we get x square plus we multiply these 3 on both of these values, it will be written as 3x plus 3 equals to 0. And here we multiply this term and you get here x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So you again get both of these equations are quadratic in x variable. And now here we will apply the quadratic formula in order to solve these two equations. First we will apply quadratic formula here. So now we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 3. And quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So we substitute these values here. So the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. B is 3 and 3 square is 9 minus 4 times of 3 becomes 12. It is divided by 2. And here we get x is equals to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 12 equals to minus 3 square root, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so these are the two complex roots of the given equation. Because we have negative sign becomes inside the square root. Okay, so here we move towards our second case, and here we again apply the quadratic formula. We write the coefficients of this equation: a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1. And this is our quadratic formula, and now we substitute these all values here. It will be written as, first we have minus b. So in this case we have the value of b is minus 1. This is minus times of minus becomes plus 1, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 1 square becomes plus 1. 4 times of ac, a is 1 and c is minus 1. So this is minus times of minus becomes plus, 4 times of 1 becomes 4, and it is divided by 2. So you get here x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So these are the two roots and these are the two. So we have these are the total 4 roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.